This is project 4, it's lab 6, and this is the assembly code version of it. It's set up with an 8051 microprocessor chip. Its A is connected to pin 0, B is connected to pin 1, and the LED/alarm is connected to pin 3. And if we run it here, we'll go through a good sequence first, which is this. As you can see, the LED/alarm stays off for the entire thing, which indicates good box. And then if we run through a bad sequence, the LED/alarm turns on and stays on until you get a 1 back on A, which indicates a good box is running through it. Just go through the code for this now. The code starts by moving, it sets the alarm to 0 at the initial stage, then it moves P1 onto R0, which is moving B onto R0. Then it checks if B is a 0, and if it is a 0, it just continues doing that until B goes to a 1. Then it moves, if B is a 1, it moves down and checks. It moves A onto A, and then it checks to see if A is a 0. If it's not a 0, it jumps down to check. So if A is a 1, it jumps down to check, which is it's part of the good sequence. And then it goes, it actually stays in the check loop until A goes to a 0 and B goes to a 0, and then jumps back up to the start again. And for the bad sequence, it turns on the alarm by moving 1 into P3. It reads in A again, and if A is still a 0, it's still a bad box, so it loops back up again and keeps doing this and keeps checking for A to be 1. Then if A is a 1, it moves down, turns off the alarm, and jumps back up to the start again. And that's everything in this version.